These are the laziest ways you can make money online. Believe me or not, you don't need a degree, you don't need any money, no skill needed. All you need is just your spare time. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and then boom, money magically appears. I know it sounds like a dream. Today I'm spilling the tea on the easiest ways and the laziest ways to make money online while you're watching Netflix, lying on your couch the whole day. One of the laziest ways to make money online is selling digital products. I know you're asking yourself, what are digital products? Well, digital products are ebooks, printables, planners, templates. The good thing about these products is that you do not need any fancy software to create or design them. You just create them on Canva. Let's say you want to create a template or a planner, you just head to Canva and create it. If you want to write an ebook, you just go to ChatGPT. It will generate a script for you. Once you're done designing or creating them, you can upload them on Etsy, or you can just create your own website, and there they sell over and over again without extra work. The second way you can make money online is by affiliate marketing. The good thing about affiliate marketing is you do not need a product, customer service, or shipping. What you do is you just share the links, and then when someone buys the product, you get paid. You can share product links on Amazon, TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, or just Jumia if you're in Kenya. The third way you can make money online is by YouTube automation. Start a faceless YouTube channel on highly profitable niches like tech reviews, finance, and motivation. You use ChatGPT to create or generate a script for you, 11 laps to generate a voiceover of the script, and then you go to Pixels, download a footage that matches each and every scene of your video, and once you get monetized, you'll start receiving money. Another laziest way to make money online is by starting a print on demand business. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online because you never have to handle any inventory. You simply create a design, upload it, and when someone buys it, the supplier will ship it for you, and then you will keep the profit. You can design mugs, caps, hoodies, and t-shirts. You design them on Canva and sell them on Etsy or Shopify. You can market these products through email, TikTok, or just Pinterest. The last one is drop shipping. Drop shipping is one of the easiest ways to make money online. You sell products without touching them, and the supplier will do everything for you: storage, packaging, and also shipping. This is how drop shipping works. First, I want you to decide on what you want to sell, and by this I mean like picking a niche. Know the winning products. You can use TikTok and Amazon best sellers, and then set up payment methods. I use PayPal and it's the best. You create a Shopify store, find suppliers on AliExpress, and now launch your products and start marketing. You can market them on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest. And now we have come to the end of today's video. I know you enjoyed it. I know you're going to apply all the methods that you have learned today. I know you are going to apply, let me say, one idea, because you're the laziest person ever. That's why you clicked on this video. Kidding. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Motivate me to create and make more content like this. I love you guys. Till my next video. Cheers.